In this video, we'll review the recommended procedures for closing out your harvest scale system after a full day of picking. All of these procedures can be found in our Quick Start Guide, available on our website under Portal and User Guides. To get started, we'll scan our end of day reports, which gives you the total for the scale for that day, as well as a summary of the picker transactions that happened. You can see here we have the total number of pallets or lot IDs that were created, the total number of pickers that were clocked in or weighing for that day, and then it shows you a summary of every picker. There are picker ID, the start and the stop time, as well as the total number of transactions and total weight for that day. This is very handy to review if you have any questions. We also recommend that you scan a pallet summary report or a bill of lading report . As you can see, this report gives you a summary of your picking data on that scale that day by pallet ID or lot number ID. We use those terms interchangeably. You can see on pallet number 0 had 229.96 pounds gross, which included the tare weight of the lugs, 198.8 pounds net, which is the weight of the fruit. It started at 10:50 and ended at 12:51 for 2.02 hours. And we were picking in fields 1 and field 78 with a total of 37 transactions. And you can see there's a similar summary for the next pallet ID. Once you have scanned and created those reports, we recommend that you take a USB flash drive or memory drive and plug it into the scale. This will give you a copy of the scale data on the flash drive that you can use to upload to the farm's harvest scale account. To do this, simply undo the cap on the USB port, and when you plug the flash drive into the scale, you'll notice that the scale says busy. The scale is copying the data to the flash drive at this time. Do not remove or wiggle the flash drive while this is happening. It only takes a brief moment to copy the data over, and once it is done, you can pull the flash drive out, and when it does so, you'll see that it says removed flash drive as a positive confirmation that the flash drive was plugged in the entire time. Now you have a copy of the picking data from that day on the flash drive, and we recommend that you go ahead and take this to the office or PC and upload it to your harvest scale account, so that way you can run detailed transaction reports and payroll reports on your online account. Be sure that you check to make sure that you have all the data at the end of the day before resetting the scale for the next day's harvest. Thank you so much for watching.